You wake up tired, even after sleeping 8 hours. You grab your coffee, but it doesn't spark you like it used to. You wonder, what happened to my energy, my drive, my stamina? The truth is simple. Your body isn't broken. It's just running low on the nutrients that power your energy, passion, and vitality. And today you're about to discover the real vitamins that boost stamina naturally. No chemicals, no pills, just pure science and nature. Because once you understand how these nutrients work, you'll realize you can feel strong, confident, and alive again at 30, 50, or even 70. Introduction. Why energy drops with age? Let's start with the reality most people ignore. As you age, your body's ability to produce energy slows down. Not because you're weak, but because your cells lose nutrients. Think of your body like a car. Even the best engine can't run on empty fuel. When you miss certain vitamins and minerals, your metabolism slows, your hormones drop, and your stamina fades. But the good news? You can refuel your system naturally. The right vitamins help your cells breathe again, improving blood flow, oxygen, mood, and even your confidence in every part of life. Vitamin B complex, the energy commander. If energy had a master switch, it would be vitamin B. There are 8 types: B1, B2, B3, B5, 6, B7, B9, and B12, and together they turn food into fuel. When you're low in B vitamins, you feel drained, moody, and foggy. But once you restore them, your metabolism kicks back into gear. B12 is especially powerful. It helps form red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. More oxygen means better stamina, mental focus, and stronger performance, both in the gym and daily life. Natural sources: eggs, salmon, whole grains, spinach, and lean meats. If you're vegan, use a B12 supplement. It's essential. Vitamin D, the sunshine hormone. Here's a shocker. Most adults in the US are deficient in vitamin D. And this one vitamin controls hundreds of functions, from bone strength, testosterone balance, to mood. When your vitamin D is low, you feel tired, anxious, and unmotivated. But when you bring it back to normal, you feel lighter, stronger, and more alive. Why? Because vitamin D increases testosterone and dopamine, the hormones that drive focus, confidence, and desire for life. Best sources: sunlight, 15 minutes a day, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and vitamin D3 supplements. Zinc, the strength mineral. Zinc is small but mighty. It's involved in more than 300 chemical reactions inside your body, including hormone production and muscle recovery. When zinc levels drop, your immune system weakens, energy falls, and you lose your edge. Restoring it helps your body produce testosterone naturally and improves overall stamina. Best sources: oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and magnesium. The relaxation fuel. You can't have power without relaxation. Magnesium helps your muscles recover, keeps your heart steady, and calms your nervous system. It's also crucial for ATP production. That's the molecule your cells use for energy. Without magnesium, your cells literally can't create power. Best sources: almonds, spinach, dark chocolate, and magnesium citrate supplements. Vitamin E, the circulation booster. Vitamin E is like oil for your body's engine. It improves blood flow, protects your arteries, and helps oxygen reach every cell. It also supports hormonal health and gives your skin and muscles that youthful glow. Best sources: sunflower seeds, almonds, and olive oil. Iron. The oxygen carrier iron deficiency is one of the top reasons for fatigue, especially in adults over 40. Your red blood cells need iron to carry oxygen to every organ. When your oxygen drops, your energy and stamina collapse. Boosting your iron levels reignites endurance and focus. Best sources: red meat, lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals. CoQ10, the cellular spark plug. CoQ10 is not just a vitamin, it's an enzyme your body makes to power each cell. Think of it as your body's internal battery charger. It declines with age, which is why older adults often feel tired. Adding CoQ10 back helps restore cell vitality, improves heart health, and boosts physical endurance. Best sources: organ meats, fish, or supplements, 100 to 200 milligrams daily. Omega-3 fatty acids, the flow enhancer. Healthy blood flow equals healthy energy. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, support brain function, and enhance endurance. They also improve hormone balance, keeping your mind sharp and mood steady. Best sources: salmon, flaxseed oil, walnuts, and fish oil capsules. Vitamin C, the repair vitamin. You already know vitamin C fights colds, but it also supports stamina by repairing tissues and improving blood vessel flexibility. When your body recovers faster, you feel more energetic. It also reduces cortisol, your stress hormone, helping your body stay calm and strong. Best sources: oranges, kiwi, bell peppers, and strawberries. Selenium. The youth mineral, selenium, helps your thyroid and metabolism, two systems that control your energy levels. It's also a powerful antioxidant that slows aging at the cellular level. Best sources: Brazil nuts, tuna, and whole grains. Listen, feeling young again isn't about reversing time. It's about restoring what your body has been missing. When you fuel your body with the right vitamins, you think sharper, you move easier, you live bolder. Every sip, every meal, every choice you make can either drain your energy or rebuild it. And once you start feeding your body right, you won't just feel younger, you'll become younger from the inside out. Because true vitality isn't about age, it's about alignment between your mind, your body, and your energy. Feel 25 again, the forgotten nutrients that restore power, focus, and passion. You ever wonder why some people in their 50s look and move like they're still in their 30s? It's not luck, it's not genetics, it's biology done right. The truth is, your body has the power to rebuild energy, confidence, and vitality if you give it the right tools. In this video, we're diving deep into the forgotten nutrients that modern diets ignore, the ones that make you feel alive, motivated, and powerful again. Because age doesn't kill, energy deficiency does. And today we're going to fix that. Why modern energy is failing. The average American eats 3 meals a day, but still feels tired. Why? Because most of those meals are high in calories, but low in nutrients. Your body doesn't care about calories, it cares about cellular nutrition. If your cells aren't fed, you can drink all the coffee you want and still feel drained. The key to real stamina isn't caffeine or sugar, it's cell recovery and hormonal balance. That's what vitamins and minerals do best. Let's talk about the ones that make the biggest difference. L-carnitine, the energy transporter. Think of L-carnitine as a personal driver for your cells. It transports fat into the mitochondria, your cell's power plant, where it's burned for energy. Low L-carnitine means your body stores fat instead of using it. But when levels rise, you burn cleaner, think sharper, and move faster. Best sources: red meat, chicken, avocado, and supplements. People who add this nutrient report better endurance, mood stability, and even better recovery after workouts or long days. Vitamin K2, the hidden circulation booster. Most people know about calcium and vitamin D but forget the one that makes them work. Vitamin K2. K2 tells your body where to put calcium into your bones, not your arteries. That means better blood flow, stronger bones, and reduced fatigue. Without K2, your circulation slows and energy fades. Best sources: fermented foods like natto, egg yolks, and grass-fed butter. Potassium. The electric mineral. Your body runs on electricity, every heartbeat, every muscle move, every thought. Potassium is the conductor that keeps that system balanced. Low potassium means slow recovery, muscle fatigue, and mood swings. Restoring it gives you cleaner energy and sharper focus. Best sources: bananas, oranges, coconut water, potatoes, and leafy greens. Nitrate-rich foods, natural circulation enhancers. Forget chemical boosters, nature already made something better. Beets, pomegranate, and spinach contain nitrates that turn into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes your blood vessels and increases oxygen delivery. That means better performance, better focus, and better recovery. No pills needed, just smart nutrition. Best sources: beet juice, arugula, celery, and watermelon, adaptogens, stress balancers. No matter how many vitamins you take, if stress is high, your energy will always crash. That's where adaptogens like rhodiola, ginseng, and ashwagandha come in. They train your body to stay calm under pressure, lowering cortisol, improving endurance, and restoring mental clarity. Best sources: herbal teas, natural supplements, or powder blends. Vitamin A, the cellular protector. Vitamin A keeps your cells young and strong. It supports immunity, hormone balance, and even your eyesight. But here's what most people miss. Vitamin A also helps produce cholesterol precursors your body needs to make testosterone and estrogen. That means better energy and mood balance. Best sources: carrots, sweet potatoes, eggs, and fish liver oil. B-complex reload. The power stack. We talked about B vitamins before, but let's emphasize their teamwork. B6, B9, and B12 regulate red blood cell production, DNA repair, and mood stability. A Harvard study showed that adults with balanced B levels have 40% better metabolic function. That means more daily energy and less fatigue after work. Best sources: legumes, poultry, spinach, and whole grains. Trace minerals. The forgotten keys. Your body also needs small amounts of chromium, iodine, and manganese, often missing in processed diets. These support thyroid function, sugar metabolism, and nerve communication. When your thyroid slows, your energy collapses, even if you eat perfectly. Restoring these trace minerals can reignite energy in just weeks. Best sources: sea salt, seafood, and mineral-rich spring water. The 3 pillars of stamina. After all this science, here's the big picture. Energy isn't just physical, it's mental and emotional too. True stamina rests on 3 pillars: cellular nutrition, vitamins and minerals, circulation, oxygen, and nitric oxide balance. Mindset: your belief that your body can still grow stronger. Combine these, and your body responds no matter your age. Morning routine. Here's how to naturally fuel your day. Wake up and drink water with lemon, hydrates and boosts vitamin C. Take a sunlight walk, vitamin D plus dopamine. Have coffee with maca, cacao, and MCT oil. Breakfast: eggs, oats, berries. Midday: beet or pomegranate juice. Night: magnesium-rich meal, spinach or dark chocolate. It's simple, natural, and powerful. Listen, aging isn't the problem, neglect is. Your body's been waiting for you to feed it what it truly needs. Once you give it real nutrition, you don't just survive, you thrive. You don't just age, you evolve. Every cell in your body wants to work for you. All you have to do is fuel it. Because at any age, energy is your birthright. And when you reclaim it, you don't just feel young again, you live young again. Rebuild your energy naturally. Secrets to lasting power, focus, and drive. You know that moment when you wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep? Or when your mind says yes, but your body says no? That's not age talking. That's your body asking for help. And here's the truth most people don't realize. Your body can rebuild itself at any age, but it needs the right building blocks. Today I'll show you how to turn that constant fatigue into natural energy, the kind that lasts all day, helps you stay confident, and makes you feel like yourself again. Let's talk about the science of real vitality. Because power isn't lost, it's hidden inside you. Your body is a power plant. Every cell in your body is like a battery. Tiny energy stations called mitochondria run everything you do.